Every Tesla begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced automotive factories, where automation and precision redefine how electric vehicles are built. The process starts with premium aluminum and high-strength steel, carefully inspected before entering production. Powerful presses transform flat metal into perfectly engineered body panels with incredible speed, and advanced robots perform thousands of precision welds, creating a rigid body structure built for strength and safety. At the heart of every Tesla is its battery, manufactured with extraordinary precision for maximum performance. Robotic efficiency systems apply multiple flawless layers, creating a durable finish with showroom-quality precision. The interior comes together through automated precision, combining comfort, technology, and minimalist design. The electric drivetrain is installed with incredible accuracy, forming the core of Tesla's high-performance engineering. With its suspension and wheels installed, the Tesla finally begins to resemble the vehicle that will soon reach customers around the world. Next comes one of Tesla's signature features, the panoramic glass roof, installed with robotic precision for a perfect seal and exceptional visibility. Powerful onboard computers, advanced sensors, and intelligent software transform the vehicle into a connected electric Artificial machine. Intelligence inspects every surface, identifying imperfections invisible to the human eye. Before leaving the factory, every vehicle is tested to verify performance, braking, and drivetrain efficiency. Engineers verify charging performance to ensure the battery delivers reliable energy from the very first charge. A final detailing process prepares each Tesla for showroom-quality presentation. After passing hundreds of quality checks, each vehicle is officially approved for delivery. From a single sheet of metal to a fully electric vehicle, Tesla's manufacturing process demonstrates the remarkable power of modern automation. Once every inspection is complete, Tesla vehicles begin their journey to customers across the globe. From raw materials to intelligent electric vehicles, every stage combines automation, engineering, and innovation to build the future of transportation. If you enjoyed discovering how Tesla cars are manufactured, subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries from around the world.
Well, that's the end of our journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you inside another incredible factory in the next video.